Subscribe.
I right here.
You want to ride?
Is that fine?
Yeah, yes. Okay, say please subscribe.
Hi guys, please subscribe, like, and share. See you later.
Hello everybody. This is an experiment today with this trolling motor, battery. I have not mounted a camera yet. I just have the handheld camera. It is an experiment day. I wanted to experiment how to get the kayak to the ocean, how to unload it from the van. This is my first time using it. I'm just using a handheld camera. I'm going to make some camera mounts this afternoon. So far, so good. I have a little fish finder with me, so I'm trying to watch that and the depth of the water so I don't hit some rocks. But it's very deep right here. I've been here 4 years, and the girlfriend and I have actually fished from shore by this old abandoned rusty boat thing. I mean, we've really never caught anything. A couple little fish. But this will be the first time coming up to the boat from the water. Back in the United States, I used to kayak in the river. But this is my first time in the ocean. It's a lot different. A little bit scary. I'm not used to this. There's some big boats parked outside the main port in Dumaguete and along the boulevard, and I hope to in 2-3 days do this also. Should be some nice scenery, I think. another spot up here I'm heading to where the girlfriend and I have fished like 12 times, and out of 12 times I think we caught one little tiny fish. But the fish finder I have in my hand, which I'm using as a depth finder, but the fish finder part is beep, 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 beep. It looks like 30 feet down, there's a lot of fish, or a lot of rocks. I'm going to come back tomorrow with the fishing pole and the camera mounted and see how it goes. Oh, it is Monday, and it is 6 a.m. Had a hard time getting out of bed this morning, but I wanted to do this before the sun got too hot. And it's already getting hot. 6:30, something like that. Just exploring right now. This is another spot, like I said, where you can just drive up and sit at the edge of this dock and fish. But wanted to see what it looked like from the kayak side. Again, I apologize for the camera. It's just a handheld now. I got to figure out where the best place to put a pole with a remote control camera on it will be, and we'll give that a try tomorrow. Oh, I'm in Sibulan. Right now I'm about 8 or 9 miles from downtown Dumaguete. Some flying fish just went by. Sun is coming up. It is getting hot. But we're going to call this a pretty good success today. I can already see some things I want to change around in the kayak, but for the first time, pretty nice. It fits good in the back of the van, and then that means I can try it in all around Dumaguete, Darwin, Tanhai. Couple rivers that can go up and down. Kind of exciting. Fits nice. Head back home, have a coffee. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and
Well, what do you think?
hopefully tomorrow we'll have a
What
fishing
do you
video
think?
up there, maybe with an actual fish.
What's your plan today?